Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, Florida, and we are previewing the Stanford floor plan by Lennar. This is part of the Manor line of homes that Lennar puts out. The Stanford is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Comes with a 3-car garage, almost 2,300 square foot. Let's walk inside and take a look at this awesome floor plan here. So as you walk in, you've got your entry area here. And directly on the right here is going to be your first bedroom, or used as a den if you like. That's how Lennar has this model set up here. But this room does have a closet, and also it does have a full bath. So you can use nice ensuite. You can use it for your guests or have a nice easy access to a bathroom with your den here, shown with the shower, and then you have the closet right across from the bath. Now coming back out into the main area here, on our right, you've got this huge dedicated dining space here. Really nice size space. And this is all being overlooked by the huge kitchen that the Stanford has to offer. Tons of cabinet and countertop space. So you've got a pantry here. Your laundry space right here off the kitchen, that's your access to the 3-car garage right there. You've got an eat-in kitchen area here, wall oven, microwave, and again, just tons of countertop space. And it also comes with this standalone island right here in the middle of your kitchen. And this all overlooks your great room area right here off the kitchen. Really nice size space here. And you have your triple sliders overlooking your outdoor living space. Now right off the great room here, you've got the other 2 guest bedrooms, and they're split by the guest bath here. So the guest bath here in the Stanford gives you 2 sinks. You've got your commode, and then you've got your combination bathtub and shower. And then you've got your 2 guest bedrooms here. Nice size rooms, plenty of space, and directly across you have the last guest bedroom here. Last but not least, for inside the home, you've got the master bedroom. Plenty big for everybody. You've got a king-size suite here in this room, and you've got the large windows allowing for plenty of natural light. Now you only have 1 closet, but it is a huge closet. So this closet, you walk in and it stretches all the way back there. It's really the size of 2 standalone closets, his and hers, but they're all combined into one here. You've got a linen closet right there. And then your master bath, you've got the standalone shower, the soaking tub, you've got the dual sinks, and then you've got your private enclosed water closet here as well. Last but not least on the Stanford is the outdoor living space. You have a really nice size lanai under truss here. The outdoor kitchen. Nice little 6-top table, fits perfectly fine right here under your covered space. This home here has got the pool package offered from Lennar. And out here you also have plenty of space for outdoor entertaining. All right guys, so this is the Stanford floor plan. You can find this floor plan at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. If you're interested in the Stanford, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching, folks.